Chongbari payment ya golo khana to counting ngi to counting ni bisinga nang lukurong no ta message line.
Good evening, my dear friends. Khana ni bagai kaisa no short and simple message tongai. Please maintain peace. Please maintain khana ni sob theke important because we the indigenous people of Tripura we don't support violence. Chung again is been peace loving chini culture chini tradition we is different. Chung peace maintain khayu. Party ni different ideologies tongi manu, toni different naharmung tongi manu. But every political party, every leader, every supporter, we should respect each other. Abnu khana ni message. Please maintain peace.
Chongbari faikanga gitu kebangma thengrung bodol no batai layu hai keba khana no serai ngai thanai sabo ba kaplai nai sabo chenai abno tui kaplai ke chana tui tamo message na mo chong je candidate tongai rokno
Candidate tongai rokno abno ang as a candidate I feel that you win at 7 or you win at 70 you will be called winner. So do not take politics too seriously because the shoes you are wearing today will not even fit after 2 years. So this is what I am going to tell. We should remain firm with our ideology, with our core ideology. We should not get diverted. That's what I will say.
Hai sar no ta kaja sumu takla ni Chongbari to balai no tumphla ja khan mono hai ke balai no serious ni mono atang hinga ke kebo bai kebangma party badai thane hai ke tini ni o je khana ni counting result kebangma party no badai lai ja hai ke ba khana no serai ni thanai Maharashtra ni har mo main tamo hai ke ba kubun party bai alliance ni thanga gendor ni main step tam na har changai puila ni
Chini puila step tamo nahnai abo bogran saimanai. The rules are set. His decision will prevail. And the thing is, our Tipra Motha, we Tipra, we talk about jobs, health scenario, education, infrastructure. Chini chung mandir masjid no ti politics khaya. We do politics where we need to do, where our where there will be no societal problems. Chung chini naharmung kaisano Tiprasa ni bahike hamkraing nai. That is our core ideology.
Sate kaisa paitak sungmung media exit poll rong no tuile nang tam sanai.
Exit poll ni methodology wrong. Exit poll ni sample nazat mani onek size small. Borok kisi sa borok by kok sawi se exit poll report sanam sa botak lai. Exit poll no ti ang agencies jara tongnai borok no bang sanamu sungo tai media rok no bo sanamu sungo chini media Bharat bhag toro in the entire country in the entire world we are ranked 150 in journalism. So this is the reason abo kaisa tradition ngi thanga exit poll report survey khane rokni borok election ni last moment of hayo polling ni 2 din sekang phayi borok ni survey office room survey they don't even get out of their closet office room o tongi borok survey khayu de telephonic survey TS jeta hano telephonic survey khayi borok chini Tiprasa sabono vote rakha ba entire Tripura sabono vote rakha abo borok bahike saimanai they don't even come in front of the polling station. So exit poll bahike khanana tabo different agencies saka tribals ro 51% se support khai vote khai which is false. Obo sudu chini Tiprasa eba Tipra Motha ni supporters rogna misguide khaina ni bagi se o exit poll report phunuk jabo agencies rogni thani obo no painai. Please come out of your closet, come out of your AC room, go to polling station, take maximum samples. Borok ni sample tamo 0.002% if I'm not wrong. Borok ni survey. Hingkai nung asak sample by kaisa polling station nung ekjon borok na sungma by nung bahike exit poll ni report rima. So that is absurd.